Polio vaccine. Polio vaccine.
Brother, please come and give my baby polio vaccine.
Brother.
Yes.
What going on here?
They're making the get polio vaccine.
Oh, somebody get my baby. Everyone can see what we get my family.
What's going on here?
That my brother can get my family. They may.
So this is how the government is spreading this deadly disease called Ebola to our community?
Let us take it to the town chief.
This man deserves to be killed now. Then you talking about town chief?
What is going on here?
This man is carrying Ebola around with this so-called vaccine.
What? I am the town chief of this town. I have served my people for a very long time. Yes. I won't allow anybody to destroy my people with Ebola.
Hey,
yes.
What is happening here?
It's the same people that spread Ebola around to
yes.
here.
Yes, that's true.
I am a social mobilizer working with Vetunga Hefe, and we are here to help this community. Can we discuss what is happening here?
Let him speak.
I want you to know that Ebola is real and Ebola is here. Let us forget about the Romans and look at the facts that will help us in the fight against the deadly disease we call Ebola.
Brother,
What is that?
when this man gave my daughter the vaccine, she will die.
No. When this man gave your baby this vaccine, your baby will be safe from the sickness we call polio. So this man is not here to hurt you. This man is here to help you. You hear what I'm saying?
You hear it?
When you start knowing about the man here, and today man come before we see the man, then you tell me say I hear.
Oh, I want to know something here.
What is that?
Where is the difference between this polio and this Ebola?
I want you to know that polio is a muscular disease that usually affects children. Why? Ebola is a very deadly and contagious disease. In other words, when it catches one person, it has the ability to spread all over.
My brother,
What is that?
I also want to know. Is it the government that brought this Ebola into our country in order to make money?
No. It is not the government that brought Ebola into this country to make money. But government along with other partners, like Vetunga Hefe, are joining together to fight against the deadly disease we call Ebola. So the government is not an enemy, but the government is your friend. You hear what I'm saying?
Yes.
I also came in this community with your supply. I brought you buckets. Chlora, Tasso. These things will help your community to be safe from the sickness we call Ebola.
Oh! In the next time, my other friend called Chief Ume.
Yeah.
The man said one NGO they call Vetunga Hefe. They share bucket, chlora, chlorine. So that all your also.
Yes.
Ooh.
In order to prepare the hand washing solution, you just need to know that every 9 taps of water mixed with 1 tap of chloride will give you a hand washing solution. In order to use this bucket, you need to learn how to wash your hands. You see this thing here? This is what we call faucet. You first of all open it. When you open it, water will get on your hands. When it gets on your hands, you scrub in the middle of your palm. You scrub in the middle of your palm. Rub it thoroughly, and then you go back under the faucet, open the faucet, and wash it. After you wash it, you close the faucet. Don't wet your hands. Allow it to dry, and it will help you and your family to be safe from the sickness we call Ebola. I also came along with some posters. On this poster we have what we should do and things we should not do. Can you see it? Can you see it?
My people, let us not kill this man. He's not an enemy to us, but a friend. My son from Vetunga Hefe.
Yeah.
The people that are supporting you, may they continue to support you, so our village can benefit too. Yeah.
Yes, oh.
Ebola,
Ebola, Ebola. Let's stop the Romans and continue the fight. Let's join the fight against the spread of this deadly Ebola virus. Ebola, Ebola is real. W-H-A-C, Ebola is real. Liberian people, Ebola is real. Our president say, Ebola is real.